Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaine and I teach at a university. So today I'm showing you my start of semester routine, how I set up everything digitally using Google Drive, Notion, and Google Classroom. So if you're using Notion, you can download my free Notion template through the link in the description below. Let's start with the basics, preparing your course materials. So before I even think of day one, I make sure I have these files ready. First is the approved syllabus. So this is the course blueprint. It contains the course description, learning outcomes, grading system, etc. So I upload this early so students know what to expect. Second, academic calendar. I upload our institution's calendar so students are aware of breaks, deadlines, and major activities. Third, lecture slides or notes. So I prepare my lecture materials in advance, but I only upload them after each class and in PDF format. So this keeps students focused during discussions and avoids skipping ahead. Fourth, exam and solutions. So once a quiz or exam is done, I upload the materials here for transparency and review. It's a great way to build accountability and also allow students to reflect. Lastly, references or ebooks if available. So I provide reading materials and open source books to supplement reading. Next, I set up Google Drive folder for the class, and this is what I share with my students. So inside the shared folder, we have the academic calendar, the syllabus, the lecture notes, the exam and solution keys, references if available. So I like doing it this way because it keeps everything centralized, organized, and accessible. And it cuts down on repetitive questions like, "Ma'am, where's the syllabus? Can we have your lecture notes? What are the books that you're using?" etc. Next, setting up Google Classroom. So this is where I streamline communication. Google Classroom is my go-to platform for announcements, assignments, and submissions. So I also paste here the Google Drive link folder so students have access to everything. So I post deadlines, exam reminders, and even class links if we're doing hybrid setups. And lastly, building my teacher or my work dashboard in Notion. So I've been using Notion for a while now, and I've been using this template for also a while now, but I've been just adding some things that are fitting to me. So this is my main dashboard. I have a 2025 main dashboard. So this is my work dashboard inside my main homepage. So if you want to try the system, the link to my free Notion template is in the description below. Just make sure to duplicate this template and it will show on your account. Just click the square at the upper right of the screen. And that's it. My start of semester routine to keep things organized, efficient, and paperless. If you're also using an iPad for teaching, check out my previous video where I show how I use GoodNotes on iPad for my workflow. Don't forget to like, comment if you want more teacher tools, and subscribe for more digital teaching tips.